Hello guys, welcome back with my channel. So today we're playing Strongest Battlegrounds. Come here, you bitch.
Aloy! Ah!
Bro, unicorn is still alive. Why are you flying? On top of you. Oh, ya kaigo ay.
Di ko ba matisan-san?
Come here, you bitch.
Di ko ba matisan-san?
I want dead. Oh no, I'm so scared. Oh no, come here, you bitch. Good girl. What? I didn't touch it. Where are you? Come here. Why are you running? Why are you running? Oh. No, you're flying. Bitch, that would teach you a lesson. Don't run. Don't run. Okay, you can run. You can't run forever. No running, bro. This would teach you a lesson. That would teach you a lesson. Don't run. I can do. Do not run. Do not run. I said do not run. Why are you running? Why are you running? This is ridiculous. That would teach you a lesson. So di lagi. Bye bye. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Kani, you bitch. Don't run. What? Wait, just stand there. I will come there. I will come there. Just wait. Bye bye. Nah, he died, gang. He died. What? Does that it? Come here. Just stand there, stand there. Ngadala ka siya. Don't move, don't move. I said don't move. Don't move, don't move. Don't move, okay?
No.
Nah, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. You are dead. You're most likely dead. Oh my god. That was super awesome. Look, where are you? I need to find you. Oh god. Oh yes, Johnny. Where are you? Come here. I want your yacht. Where are you? Look. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Bye. Stupid.